Is your Ford's alarm going off randomly? A common cause is a faulty door ajar sensor or hood latch switch. The door ajar sensor is a magnetic switch in each door. It can malfunction due to corrosion or debris, signaling an open door even when closed. The hood latch switch confirms the hood is latched. It can wear or misalign, causing false alarms. Start by inspecting and cleaning these switches, looking for any visible damage or corrosion. Try lubricating the latch mechanisms annually to prevent issues. If cleaning doesn't work, consider replacing the affected switch. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes like B11D8, which can help pinpoint the problem. Remember, addressing these sensor issues promptly can prevent battery drain and further security system malfunctions. If door and hood sensors aren't the issue, your key fob or the body control module might be the culprit. Try resetting your key fob by cycling the ignition 20 times. For key fob issues, pressing the lock/unlock buttons simultaneously can sometimes reset it. If you have Ford's sync system, ensure it's updated, as newer versions have enhanced Bluetooth pairing and anti-theft features. For older vehicles, signal interference or a weak key fob battery can cause problems. Consider replacing the battery. If these steps fail, a BCM reset might be necessary. This can sometimes be done through the vehicle's infotainment system or requires a dealer update. As a last resort, major issues could require replacement, which could cost $200 to $500.